All right, since we're going to be roasting our vegetables and our potatoes together, that's the first thing we're going to do. We're going to turn this up to 450 degrees, and then we're going to turn our back burner up to about 8. We're going to fill this pan about a quarter of the way with water, and this is where we're going to be parboiling our Brussels sprouts. While we're waiting for the oven to preheat, we're going to take our butter and we're going to grease the bottom of our pan. Until that's covered, then we'll put that aside. And I'm going to take 3 cloves of garlic. We're going to look on both sides to see where our little brown ends are. We'll take those and cut them off. And then we're just going to cut very thin slices. I'm not going to dice this. We're just going to cut them into little pieces like this.